Zero-touch provisioning, or ZTP, is a feature that allows for the initial configuration of optical LAN components without the need for concurrent user configuration when the system is installed. The ZTP feature uses network engineer developed scripts to provide out-of-the-box functionality when components are racked and connected. This reduces the installation procedure to rack, connect, and power on. With ZTP, all OLAN components become plug-and-play. Zero-touch provisioning allows the OLAN components to automatically acquire an IP address using DHCP, create and register a fully qualified DNS name, discover the servers to use for ZTP configuration, download and install site-specific PKI certificates, download and install configured software versions, download and apply site-specific or OLT-specific custom configuration from a backup file, and download and apply necessary system patches. The Tellabs ZTP solution uses one or more servers to hold the files to be downloaded during the ZTP process. The Tellabs OLT acts as the client and gets startup and configuration information using 6 server components. The DHCP server assigns IP addresses, DNS server information, and the ZTP server URL. The ZTP server is an HTTPS file server that holds the ZTP configuration file used by the OLT for startup and configuration. The certificate server is an HTTPS file server for automated loading of site-specific PKI certificates. The software download server is an HTTPS file server used by the OLT to download and switch to the required software version. The configuration server is a file server for site-specific configuration backup files to be downloaded. The patch server is a file server for downloading scripts and other software for site and software-specific adjustments. ZTP can work with distributed and remote servers. However, for most installations, all servers, with the exception of the DHCP server, will be hosted on the same machine. Tellabs provides software that installs and configures the required server components on a single Linux host machine. Any HTTP server capable of handling certificate authentication and file transfers can be used to host a ZTP feature component. To handle distributed servers, the ZTP configuration can be customized to provide addresses and credentials for each server.